Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams while others struggle to make progress? The answer may lie in a simple yet profound truth. Anything you want wants you too. This concept, rooted in the law of attraction and the power of positive thinking, has the potential to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Imagine a world where your deepest desires and aspirations are not just distant fantasies, but tangible realities within your grasp. A world where the universe conspires in your favor, aligning people, circumstances, and opportunities to support your every goal. This is not a fairy tale or a far-fetched idea. It is a fundamental principle that governs the way our lives unfold. Throughout history, countless individuals have harnessed the power of their thoughts and beliefs to achieve extraordinary feats. From athletes breaking world records to entrepreneurs building global empires, these success stories serve as testaments to the incredible potential that lies within each of us. But how exactly do we tap into this potential and make our dreams a reality? The key lies in understanding that our thoughts are not merely passive observers of our lives. They are active creators, shaping our experiences and attracting people and situations that mirror our inner world. By focusing our minds on what we want rather than what we lack, we send a powerful signal to the universe, telling it to align with our desires. But this is not a matter of simply wishing for something and waiting for it to appear. It requires a deliberate and consistent effort to cultivate a positive mindset, to visualize our goals with clarity and emotion, and to take inspired action towards their realization. In the coming sections, we will explore the practical steps you can take to harness the power of your thoughts and manifest the life you truly want. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and knowledge you need to unlock your limitless potential and create a reality that exceeds your wildest dreams. So, buckle up and let's dive in. The power of thought. In the early 20th century, a young man named Wallace Wattles found himself struggling to make ends meet. Despite his best efforts, he seemed to be stuck in a cycle of poverty and frustration. That is, until he stumbled upon a life-changing realization: our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. Wattles went on to write the classic book, The Science of Getting Rich, in which he outlined the principles of positive thinking and the law of attraction. His work would go on to inspire countless others, from best-selling authors to world-renowned leaders, all of whom credit their success to the power of their thoughts. But how exactly do our thoughts influence our lives? The answer lies in the way our minds interact with the world around us. Our thoughts are like magnetic signals, constantly broadcasting our beliefs and expectations to the universe. When we focus on positive outcomes and believe in our ability to achieve them, we attract people, circumstances, and opportunities that align with our goals. On the other hand, when we dwell on negative thoughts and limitations, we create a self-fulfilling prophecy, drawing more obstacles and setbacks into our lives. This is why it's so crucial to be mindful of the quality of our thoughts and to consciously choose to focus on what we want rather than what we don't want. Take, for example, the story of Jim Carrey, the renowned actor and comedian. Before he achieved worldwide fame, Carrey was a struggling artist, barely making ends meet. But he refused to let his circumstances define him. Instead, he used the power of visualization to create a mental image of the success he desired. Carrey would drive to the Hollywood Hills and park his old beat-up car, overlooking the city below. There, he would sit and visualize himself as a successful actor, living in a beautiful home and entertaining audiences around the world. He even wrote himself a check for $10 million post-dated 5 years into the future for acting services rendered. 5 years later, Carrey's thoughts had become his reality. He was offered a starring role in the movie Dumb and Dumber, which would go on to become a box office hit and catapult him to global stardom. And the amount on that check? It was the exact sum he received for his role in the film. Stories like these are not mere coincidences. They are powerful testaments to the transformative potential of our thoughts. By harnessing the power of positive thinking and visualization, we can reshape our lives in profound ways. But how do we put these principles into practice? In the next section, we'll explore a step-by-step process for using visualization to manifest your deepest desires. Get ready to unlock the secret to creating a life beyond your wildest dreams. The visualization process. Have you ever noticed how elite athletes, before a big game or race, often close their eyes and appear to be deep in thought? They're not just daydreaming. They're using the power of visualization to mentally rehearse their success. And this technique isn't just for sports stars. It's a tool that anyone can use to manifest their dreams. Visualization is the act of creating vivid, detailed mental images of what you want to achieve. By engaging all of your senses and making the scene as real as possible in your mind, you send a powerful signal to your subconscious and the universe that this is the reality you want to create. So, how do you get started with visualization? The first step is to find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to relax. Now, begin to build the mental image of your desired outcome. If it's a new job you want, picture yourself in that role. Visualize your new office, your coworkers, and the sense of fulfillment you feel in your work. The key is to make the visualization as detailed and emotionally engaging as possible. Use all of your senses to bring the scene to life. What does it look like? What sounds do you hear? What does it feel like to have achieved this goal? The more real you can make it in your mind, the more powerful the effect will be. As you visualize, it's essential to feel the positive emotions associated with your desired outcome. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude, as if it has already happened. This helps to anchor the vision in your subconscious and align your energy with the vibration of success. Practicing visualization regularly, ideally twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, can supercharge your manifestation efforts. Consistency is key, as it helps to reinforce the mental pathways and makes your vision feel more and more real over time. But visualization isn't just a mental exercise. It's also about taking inspired action. As you continue to hold the vision in your mind, you'll start to notice opportunities and synchronicities showing up in your life. These are the universe's way of guiding you towards your goal. Trust your intuition and take action on these opportunities, knowing that each step is bringing you closer to your dream. Aligning thoughts and actions. As you work with visualization, it's crucial to ensure that your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are all aligned with your desired outcome. After all, if you're visualizing success but deep down, you don't believe you deserve it, or you're not taking actions that support your goal, you're sending mixed messages to the universe. One powerful way to align your thoughts and beliefs is through the use of affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, such as, "I am worthy of abundance and success," or "I am confident and capable in my abilities." By consistently reinforcing these beliefs, you start to override any limiting beliefs or self-doubts that may be holding you back. It's also important to pay attention to the actions you're taking. Are they in alignment with your goals? Are you taking steps each day, no matter how small, to move closer to your vision? Remember, the universe responds to your energy and your actions. By consistently showing up and doing the work, you demonstrate your commitment to your dream and open the door for greater opportunities to flow into your life. Another key aspect of alignment is letting go of resistance. Often, when we want something badly, we can fall into the trap of obsessing over it or trying to force it to happen. But this attitude of desperation and lack actually pushes our desires away. Instead, practice the art of surrender. Trust that the universe has your back and that your vision will unfold in perfect timing. Let go of the how and focus on the what and the why. Trusting the universe. This brings us to the final and perhaps most important piece of the manifestation puzzle: trusting the universe. When you fully embrace the belief that the universe is conspiring in your favor, that it wants you to succeed and is always guiding you towards your highest good, a profound shift takes place. You start to approach life from a place of faith and abundance, rather than fear and scarcity. You trust that even when things don't seem to be going your way, there is a higher purpose at work. You let go of the need to control every aspect of your life and instead allow yourself to flow with the current of the universe. This doesn't mean sitting back and doing nothing. It means taking inspired action, trusting your intuition, and being open to possibilities that you may never have considered before. It means having the courage to leap, knowing that the universe will provide the net. When you live in this state of trust and alignment, miracles become commonplace. Doors open, opportunities arise, and your dreams start to manifest in ways that you could never have orchestrated on your own. This is the magic of co-creating with the universe. Throughout history, there have been countless examples of individuals who have used these principles to achieve extraordinary success. From artists and inventors to entrepreneurs and world leaders, the power of thought, visualization, and trust in the universe has been a common thread in their stories. Take, for example, the story of Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty and faced with countless challenges and setbacks throughout her life, Oprah never let her circumstances define her. Instead, she used the power of her mind to visualize a different future for herself. She believed in her own potential and trusted that the universe had a plan for her life. Through hard work, determination, and an unwavering commitment to her vision, Oprah built a media empire and became one of the most influential and respected figures in the world. Her story is a testament to the power of our thoughts and beliefs to shape our reality. Or consider the story of Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Musk has always been driven by a grand vision for the future, one in which humans colonize Mars, transition to sustainable energy, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Despite facing numerous setbacks and critics along the way, Musk has never wavered in his belief in his vision. He trusts that the universe is on his side, and that by following his passion and taking bold action, he can make his dreams a reality. These stories and countless others like them serve as powerful reminders of what's possible when we align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our highest vision. They inspire us to dream bigger, to trust more deeply, and to never give up on our own potential for greatness. As we come to the end of this exploration into the power of manifestation, I want to leave you with a simple but profound truth. Anything you want, wants you too. The universe is not separate from you, it is you. And when you align yourself with the flow of the universe, when you trust in your own power to create your reality, miracles become not just possible, but inevitable. So I invite you to take the principles we've explored, the power of thought, visualization, alignment, and trust, and begin to apply them in your own life. Start small, with a single goal or vision, and watch as the universe begins to reshape itself around your dreams. Remember, this is not about perfection or never experiencing challenges. It's about choosing to see those challenges as opportunities for growth and trusting that the universe is always guiding you towards your highest good. As you continue on this path, know that you are not alone. You are part of a growing community of individuals who are waking up to their own power and potential. Together, we are creating a new reality, one based on love, abundance, and the infinite possibilities that exist within each of us. So, dream big, trust deeply, and never forget that anything you want wants you too. The universe is waiting for you to claim your birthright as a creator and to step into the life of your wildest dreams. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I can't wait to see the incredible things you'll create as you embrace your power and co-create with the universe. Remember, your thoughts are your most powerful tool. Use them wisely and watch as your world transforms before your very eyes.